A very good afternoon to Ms. Wai and my fellow friends. Today my speech title is Community Service Should Be Required for Teens. First, the introduction is, have you ever imagined that the life no one wanted to do community service? This reason is gradually realized in this world and especially in our beloved country, Malaysia. Every citizen has an obligation to do community service, but the most especially the teenagers are not volunteer and don't want to do community service. This will lead our country become economic decline and our country cannot follow up other countries. Therefore, I am stand by here to talk about community service should be required for teens in order to get rid of their lazy habit, improve their soft skill and have an excellent networking opportunity. First of all, community service should be required for teens because the most of teens have a lazy habit in this generation. This is because their parents are too pampering them and don't let them to do anything. For example, after they come back from school, they can just play their mobile games and sleep. They have no need to do any housework. Hence, the school must force them for community service at least 2 times a week. Moreover, this is only will cause them to become lazy, but it also will affect their health because they are just addicted to online games and did not have any sport in their life. According to the research, teens who participate in social service have better mental and physical health because they are always work and frequently use their hands and legs. Thus, community service is also a sport to them and it also good for their mental health because when we help others, we will also feel happy. Next, the second point is improve soft skills. On top of that, it is also can improve their soft skills through community service. It's due to the reason that participating in community service allows teens to improve their life skill sets. As teens work in a real-life setting, they can use volunteering projects to explore and improve upon existing skills. For instance, when they are working in an orphanage or nursing home, they need to learn how to cook, replacing pipe and wire, sweeping and mopping floor, and so on. Students can also explore potential careers and find out what they need develop in order to work in the field. Besides, teams will always face various challenges and problems to therefore tackle. So, it can also train their leaderships by solving the challenges and the problems and enjoy the satisfactions of overcoming a harder. And the last point is excellent networking opportunities. The teens who have to do community service will also have an excellent networking opportunity. In view of the fact that social service gives teens a good networking opportunities because it allowing them to build new relationships within their community as they contribute. For instance, teens can meet new people with new organizations and strengthen their ties to the community. Furthermore, as teens work in community service programs, they will learn how to better work in teams. In the light of something, there are many better work need to be unity and cooperate to complete it. As the saying goes, unity is strength. This is very important for them even inside school or outside. Therefore, they will easy to integrate socially in the future because they have excellent networking opportunity and they are solidarity. For conclusion, to sum it up, there are numerous benefits for the teens to do community service. All community service should be required for teens, but the way school authorities and parents should force them to participate in community service so that their future is bright and our nation will develop better as the adage goes. Teens are the pillars of the country's futures. Last but not least, hopefully all the teens can actively participate in community service and don't always escape for it. Thank you.